Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice exponential equation. Here 10 power x plus 100 power x is equals to 1000 power x. Here we need to calculate the value of x. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start solution of this question. Here 10 power x plus 100 power x is equals to 1000 power x. Now divide both sides 1000 power x. Left hand side is divided by 1000 power x and right hand side is also divided by 1000 power x. In left hand side we will apply this rule a plus b over c. This is equals to a over c plus b over c. According to this rule, we can write this left hand side as 10 power x over 100 power x, 1000 power x. Here 1000 power x plus 100 power x and divide by 1000 power x. This is equals to this expression and this expression is cancelled out, then you will get here 1. Now we will apply base and exponent rule. A power m over b power m. This is equals to a over b bracket power m. According to this rule, we can write this left hand side as 10 over 1000 bracket power x plus 100 over 1000 bracket power x. This is equals to 1. Now here this and this is cancelled out and this is cancelled out. In left hand side 1 over 100 bracket power x plus 1 over 10 bracket power x and this is equals to 1. Now 1 over 100 is same as 1 square over 10 square and this is same as 1 over 10 bracket power 2. 1 over 100 is replaced by 1 over 10 whole square. 1 over 10 whole square bracket power x plus 1 over 10 bracket power x is equals to 1. Now we will apply this rule a power m bracket power n. This is equals to a power n bracket power m. According to this rule, we can replace this m by this n. So we can replace this 2 by this x. Then here 1 over 10 bracket power x bracket power 2 plus 1 over 10 bracket power x is equals to 1. Now here we will apply substitution and if we substitute 1 over 10 bracket power x is equals to m, then this expression is replaced by m square plus this expression is m is equals to 1. Here m square plus m is equals to 1. If we take all the expressions in same side, then m square plus m minus 1 is equals to 0. Here we have a quadratic equation and this quadratic equation is not factorizable. Here we will apply quadratic formula. A is equals to 1, b is equals to 1 and c is equals to minus 1. And quadratic formula m is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. Then m is equals to minus value of b is 1 plus minus square root of b is replaced by 1 square minus 4, value of a is 1 and value of c is minus 1 over 2 times value of a is 1. Then m is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of b square is 1 square is 1 minus 4 times minus 1 is plus 4 over 2. Here value of m is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of 5 over 2. Here we have two possible values of m. First value of m is equals to minus 1 minus square root of 5 over 2, and second value of m is equals to minus 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Now we know that m is 1 over 10 power x. So this m is replaced by 1 over 10 bracket power x is equals to minus 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. Then this left hand side is always positive and this right hand side is negative. So this case is rejected. The another value of m is equals to minus 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. And here m is 1 over 10 bracket power x. 1 over 10 bracket power x is equals to, and we can write this expression as square root of 5 minus 1 over 2. If we take both side log with base 10 and here log with base 10, in left hand side we will apply this rule, log m power n, this is equals to n times log m. According to this rule, we can write this left hand side as x times log 1 over 10 bracket power, with base 10, and this is equals to log square root of 5 minus 1 over 2 with base 10. Now we know that 1 over a power m, this is equals to a power minus m. According to this rule, we can write 1 over 10 as 1 over 10 power 1, and this is equals to 10 power minus 1. Then in left hand side, x times log 10 power minus 1 with base 10, 10 power minus 1 with base 10, and this is equals to, in right hand side, log square root of 5 minus 1 over 2. Here we will apply this rule. In left hand side we will apply this rule, log m power n, this is equals to n times log m. According to this rule, we can write this left hand side as minus x log 10 with base 10, and this is equals to, here base of this log is 10, log square root of 5 minus 1 over 2 with base 10. Here we know that log a with base a, this is equals to 1. According to this rule, we can write minus x times log 10 with base 10 is 1, and this is equals to log square root of 5 minus 1 over 2 with base 10. In left hand side, minus x is equals to log square root of 5 minus 1 over 2 with base 10. Now multiplied both sides, minus 1, then x is equals to minus log square root of 5 minus 1 over 2 with base 10. Then x is equals to, if you simplify this expression, then you will get log square root of 5 plus 1 over 2 with base 10. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.